It's your boy Mr. Plumbers, call me Bogoso. Again and again, you come on our videos. Today, we have more things we're gonna talk about it, bro. Yeah, family, guys, usiondoke bila kubonyeza subscribe, like, share and comment. As you know, our family, we are talking about our family which called ndoa. Ndoa ni kufunga pingu za maisha, ndoa ni pata jiko. Sasa nataka tuanzike mazungumzo yetu. Mr. Bro, why you cross the mic, man? Yeah, it's a good movie. Our family, and as you seen, we talk about our film which called Ndoa. Again and again, we are back. So let's start to our video election and we talk about our film. Remember that as you have seen in the last episode, I have seen Kidichu, a Pasali, a Lydia. It was better things, guys. So let me tell you something. It's important in my life, bro. I'm a family. Yeah, I remember on last episode, bro. How many the number of episodes you have seen yesterday, bro?
100.5, bro.
Oh, 105.
Yeah.
Oh, is it for, bro?
Huh?
I think you expect to watch 105.
Yes.
Yeah. So we have seen 104. So we expect to watch 105. So family, you know, ask you a question. Which things you expecting to watch on episode? So I need you to spoil it. I need you to tell me on the comment again and again. We'll meet in another videos. And you remember, today we have more things we're gonna talk about. So guys, family, and as you know, usiondoke bila kubonyeza subscribe, like, it's a good. Yo, family, and we see talking to our family which called Ndoa. Sasa, right now, I'm gonna ask you more questions about our film which called Ndoa. And remember that it's amazing film, it's a lovely film. So in the life, this film to teach us more things like nifikiri kwamba mnakumbuka how we treat a girl, bro. How we treat a girl, and when you're in love, how girl care about you, how girl loves you. On my side, I take it like a miracle, bro. Yeah, that's how I take it like a miracle, bro. When a girl find love with you, bro, maybe when you're in romantic time, yeah, it's like love romantic. So on this time, what I have seen in the latest episode to our family which called Ndoa. I have seen Kiduchu and meeting with Pasal. So maybe Pasal he missed Kiduchu, and Kiduchu she missed Pasal. So guys, a family, let me tell you something. What you would expect to watch in episode song. I need your comment and like comment. So what about to our film Ndoa? It's like what happened in our general life. So meanwhile, if is have a relationship in our general life, it means that we are supposed to watch this movie and to like the comment. Yeah, it's a good thing. On my side, it take it like a good teacher, bro. Mr. Mike.
Yeah.
How are you, bro?
I'm fine, bro.
Well, fine.
I wanna to ask you the question, bro.
Ask me, bro.
Some fans ask me, Ndoa, what means that?
Ndoa in English, in Kinyarwanda, in
English, Kiswahili, katika lugha zote.
Oh, nataka nikusimulie ndoa. Ndoa katika lugha ya Kiswahili ni kupata chiko, kufunga pingu za maisha, kuoa. Yeah,
kuoa.
Yeah, kuoa. Or in English, to go married, bro. Yeah, to go to married with someone you love or someone you are in love, bro.
Oh.
Yeah, in Kinyarwanda. You wanna me talking in Kinyarwanda?
Tell us, fans from Tanzania in Kinyarwanda.
Yeah, in Kinyarwanda, ndoa, it means that gushingirwa. Hey, it means gushingirwa, gushaka umugabo, ariko nyine gushingirana n'umuntu nyine mwakundanye. Yeah, it means ndoa. ndoa inasimula vitu vingi bro. Inazingatia maonyo mengi, inazingatia vitu tofauti. Sasa ni vitu nikuambia bro. It's like man.
Asante bro, nami pia ninapenda filmu yetu inaitwa Ndoa. Ninaipenda sana kwa kuwa Kiduchu ni msichana mzuri sana, ana tabia nzuri sana katika maisha yake.
Bro, okay, let me tell you something, bro. I have seen less episode someone who called Kiduchu when she's in the bed, bro. Shaking her nyash, foot left, right, shaking her nyash, foot left, right, bro.
That's good. That's good, bro.
If he's a Kiduchu, bro. On my side, and I would like to watch the movie, and I would like to write a comment and share that movie to everyone, bro. Yeah, family, I was still talking to the Miracle things, bro. Hey, okay, let me tell your fans my name, bro. When they hear my voice, they guess my name, bro.
Okay, tell us your name.
No, my family. My name is Prambas. Call me the king. Call me Papa. Call me Bogoso to tell a second tonight. Prambas, Evek Bandal. Tell him Freddy, free for free. Don't have a fear for fat of life. AKA Mr. House of Bookie, bro. That is my name. When they hear my voice, they guess my name.
It's amazing, bro. Your name, it's amazing.
So my name.
Prambas. Call me Papa.
King. Call me Papa. Call me Bogoso to tell second to none, bro.
Sijui kabisa, sijui kabisa.
Okay, my name is like it's like what? Maybe it's like it's okay. My name is content me with sarcasm, bro. Sarcasm. Maybe my name is metaphor, no that.
It contains miracle.
Call me Papa.
I'm
trying to be compared with someone with daddy, bro. Maybe I don't have a tribe. So
your name, you wanted to criticize this, my fans because of your name. It's a miracle, bro.
It's a miracle, bro. It's a long name, bro.
That is a gift from God.
Ndugu zetu.
I think
ndugu zetu nifikiri kama mnakumbuka neno langu. Sasa ni kwa kuwa niko hapa mbele ya kamera ili tuzungumuze kwa filamu yetu. Filamu yetu mnakumbuka sana, inazingatia maonyo mengi, inazingatia vitu tofauti, inazingatia vitu vingi sana. Ndugu zenu, sasa nataka tuanze kuhusu upendo na ulembo wa Kiduchu. Upendo wa Kiduchu na ulembo wa Kiduchu. Sasa ndugu zenu, nifikiri kwamba ni kwani Kiduchu alijaribu kuchukia Pasali.
Kiduchu alijaribu
kuchukia Pasali. Sasa ni kwani Kiduchu alijaribu kuchukia Pasali, na mimi pia niliona Pasali ameonekana kama mtu una shida nyingi ndugu
katika maisha yake.
Niliona Pasali ako hospitalini, ako mgonjwa katika hospitalini, bro. She was very sorry. Almost said I have been emotional to myself.
Pasali
my family, stop here our video. I will meet in another episode. Hii ni uchambuzi kwa filamu yetu Ndoa. Nawashukuru sana kwa muda wako mnilipa. Shukrani, asante.
Okay, nami pia ninawashukuru sana kwa muda wako kwa kusaidia mimi, kusaidia channel yangu. Asante sana. Mungu awabariki. Asante sana.